Machine extract water. Take stool. Place beaker on stool. Take beaker. Take bottle and open it. Use this mix to make hole in bottle cap. Place straw in bottle cap. Apply glue on bottle cap. Add water in beaker. Place bottle cap on bottle. Place bottle. In this experiment, we learned that the gravitational force and the siphon tube's air pressure makes water flow from the height. Orange float or sink. Take glass. Add water in glass. Add orange in glass. Add peeled orange in glass. In this experiment, we learned that the unpeeled orange floats because the peel is very porous and filled with tiny pockets of air. When you remove the peel, you also removing those tiny air. Therefore, the peeled orange is denser and it sinks.